Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel. Today we're going to show you how to shape Kaiser or Rosette rolls. It will take a couple of tries to figure it out, but once you do it, it is so rewarding to see such nice looking rolls that you made yourself. Divide your dough into balls. I used to make all of mine the same size, but some people like larger rolls and some like smaller ones, so I don't worry about having them all look exactly the same anymore. Roll out your ball of dough so it is long and skinny like a snake. Give yourself about 12 inches. As you practice, you may want it longer or shorter. Fold the dough in half. Twist it. You'll see that there's one that's on the top and one on the bottom. The top one is going to go under and then through the center and over. The bottom one is going to go over, down the center, and up. And you're going to pinch them together and then just tuck them behind. That's all there is to it. Let's go through that again. Roll your dough out like a snake. Fold the dough in half and twist it. Take the end on the top, put it down, up through the center and over. Take the end on the bottom, put it up, down through the center and up, and pinch together. And there you have it. That's all it is. Your rolls will turn out fantastic. I usually butter the tops when they're out of the oven and sometimes sprinkle garlic salt or sesame seeds on top. Thank you for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.